Hi guys, so finally in this video we will use what we have learned in the previous videos to compute the profit and to achieve the goal I have decided basically in the last video. Before go on, just I want to remind you the equation that we need. Let me make myself little as usual. And let me move somewhere, let's say here. Okay, so this is the equation that we need. Given the price, the scale factor and the direct elasticity of product, it's possible to estimate the sales of such product by means of this equation, as you can see. So now let's move to the file we have used to learn some stuff that you can do with Excel. Now honestly I don't need anymore this part, okay? I just need the part where we read the file and then we write. For now I'm just commenting it. I don't need actually this. So now I have to do here all the stuff that is needed to compute the sales and the profit for each product and the total profit. So let me just run again this file. So I will clean all the variables and I will have df, the data frame containing the columns I need to achieve the task. So let's also use properly the comment and say now compute the sales estimate, and in order to do this what I have to do is to create a new column in df and says okay, this is df prices to the power of df direct elasticity, and all has to be multiplied by scale factor. Okay, so now I have the equation, and if I run this, okay, I will get the sales. I can also avoid to compute the sales. First I want to show you, okay, okay, these are the sales. These are the sales, but they are with too many digits. I need round. I want to have here integer sales, and in order to do this I need the instruction round. What I'm computing here, round is a function of r which basically find the nearest integer to the results of what we got in brackets. So let's say here now we have integer sales. Generally speaking, I take advantage from this situation to say that if you want an help for a generic function, I need to write question mark followed by the function, and here I'm moving myself again. Here I will find the help for rounding the numbers and what I have to do. So now I have computed the sales. I can compute directly the profit of each product that will be given by the product of the first df prices minus df product cost multiplied by df sales. So now if I do this, I will get the profit for each product. Now I can save the file, and I want to do a little variation. Now I'm let me just create here. This is the folder where I'm working. I have already created this folder, which is Excel outputs, as you can see, and I already have a couple of files here. Let me delete them because I want to start again. This is open, sorry. I just close this. Okay, so now the folder is empty, and going back to R, what I want to do is just to use this folder, Excel outputs, / and I will call this profit week 1. Let's say this. Okay, if I do now this, I will get this file here. Let me show you. That's output. I will get this file where I can find also the profit for each product. Okay, so as you can see, I have here the profit, and I can sum them in Excel if I want the total profit, or just use R function here. So let's say I want total profit as sum. We have already learned how df profit, and because I want just two significant digit, or maybe I can do this, sorry, probably is better. I will do this df profit. I will update this variable in this way, df profit, and I can use round also with two digit. Generally speaking, if I do round 1, 2, 3.456, one digit, it approximates the number to the first digit, and that's what I'm doing here. Another thing I want to explain here is that I'm updating the variable. He has already computed the profit, but just I'm saying take this, do the round, and then update the same variable without defining a new one. So if I do this, I will compute also the total. Now if I open the Excel file, as you can see, the profit is have no more than two digits. You can have also one, because maybe sometimes it can be integer or just having one digit. And I have this variable total profit with the total profit. So I can also say message. If you remember, I showed you this instruction, the total profit for week 1 is, and let's say here, total profit. And finally, let's print the message. So if I run this, I will have, sorry, why? I'm probably open. I have the Excel file open, sorry. So if I run it again, it should work, and I will get the message, the total profit for week 1 is this one. Okay, so now we have accomplished the task for a single week. Of course, sorry, I forgot here to change one. So honestly, it was wrong before, but if I run this, doesn't matter. Now I have the real profit for week 1. But if I want now to move on to week 2, I have to change right here, right here, and right here. I don't like this because I will show you in the next time how can automate this change. And let's move on, and this is the profit for the second week. As you can see, I can do for the third, for the fourth, and you can see right now, even if I'm not happy with this, we should do this much faster, but you can see from here how much quicker can we compute the profit for each week, just changing a number rather than opening anytime the different Excel file, perform the computation inside Excel, and then do it for all 200. Of course, as I said, I'm not happy with this, but it should start convincing you how more efficient can be using Excel rather than R. Next time I will show you some, I will go to the generalization of this, and I want to compute in a single shot the profit for all the weeks, and I will probably need a few more concepts that I will introduce you while writing the code. Hopefully it should be easy, and we will see next time. For any problem, I hope this is clear, and that if you have any problem, write me on the message, on the comments, and I will try to answer you as soon as possible. Right.